Hey everyone, it's Susan. Oh, I need my other lights on. Quickly. Do that. Okay. I'm doing a bloom. And I just watched a video on Instagram, Shelley Carruthers. She called it a nurtured bloom. So that's what I'm going to try. It looked pretty cool what she was doing, so I'll show you exactly how she did it. I'm doing it a tiny bit different. I'm not laying the paints exactly like she did, the colors, so alright, I'm going to lay my paint down. This is Sherwin Wiliams Color to Go. And if anybody likes this painting underneath, well, sorry, but I liked it at first, but I'm kind of not liking it as so much anymore, so I thought I would paint over it. Okay, so I'm using the last of my paint here. Actually, I'm going to be putting a lot of paint on, so I just want to make sure I have enough to cover the whole canvas. I am using a lot of colors, so I think I'll be all right. So just go with that. All right. Looks like I got a few air bubbles, so I'm gonna pop them. All right, my first color I'm starting with is Rose Madder by Arteza. Okay, so I'm going to, wish this thing would stop moving around. There. All right. Oops. Okay, so she went like this. She left the middle. She didn't put any color in the middle. So I'm just going to do a little bit more. And I have to save some. Okay, next is the Turquoise Deep, and this is acrylic ink. This is my consistency. I hope you can see it. Okay, just leaves a little mound. Then I'm going to put just some more around. Oh. Okay. I think that's enough for that. Then I'm going to put this little piggy glisten. Oops. Oh. Not going to touch that. Okay, I see an air bubble. Now, Funk by this little piggy. Okay, then I've got Bordeaux Red by Arteza. More air bubbles. So I have to pop them. Then, oh, I did Bordeaux Red. Okay, now I've got Fairy Floss, this little piggy. Then I've got Naphthol Crimson. This is also acrylic ink. This could be really funky looking, but I guess we'll find out. All right, now I've got Fluorescent Red by Liquitex Basics, I think. All right, now okay, I'm gonna move these things. I'm using a black cell activator. Actually, I wanted to make more, so I only had so much lamp black made, so I added some oxide black to it. And it's Australian Floetrol. Just tilting off a bit here. So, okay, so I should put it like this all the way around. And then blue. Oh. I don't know why it didn't work over here. Okay, so now, same colors, same order, and I'm going to put them right in the middle. That was Rose Madder, Turquoise Deep, this little piggy, Interference, Glisten, Funk, this little piggy, now Bordeaux Red, oops, Bordeaux Red, now Fairy Floss, And then Naphthol red, Naphthol crimson. Fluorescent red is the last color. I already see a little air bubble. I want it pop. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Stubborn. Finally. All right, it's tilting this way. Okay, fluorescent. Okay, now more black. All right. Now I forget whether I think she did this. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Now the middle is going to be all weird. All right, I leave it as it is. So now I'm going to spin it. Okay, I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to tilt some of it off. I don't really like how it's looking in the middle. So I'm going to continue spinning. Oh, I forgot to show it close up. Okay, so might have added too much paint on this. I don't know. It wasn't moving that much though. It's awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to cover this one. Let's see the bubble. All right, so I'm going to, let's make sure that you're in camera. Okay. Air bubbles. I can't remember which way I spun last time. I'm liking it so far. Looks awesome. Pretty colors. I messed up in the middle a little bit by doing that. Okay, there's a little white dot that I've got that I'm going to get rid of. There we go. There's also something right here. I'm going to dip it in the same color. See if I can get rid of this. Oh, you know what? It was a little speck of something. All right. Should I spin? I think I'm just going to leave it. I think it looks really good. Really, really, really good. Okay. Definitely going to cover this. It possibly might crack. This. All right. I'll show you a close-up. It's pretty nice, I think. I really like it. I might try to fix that black in the middle by adding more black to it. Whoops. Okay,